Welcome. In this video, we'll guide you step by step to unbox and assemble your new mountain bike. Carefully cut open the top of the box. Gently lift the bike out, avoiding damage to any parts. Cut the plastic straps with scissors or a safe tool, then remove all protective packaging from the frame. Watch the handlebar cables closely. Keep them connected. Do not cut or disconnect any cables. They're pre-attached, including the brakes. Remove remaining bubble wrap and packaging from frame, stem, and saddle. Open the small accessory box to find 2 pedals, front and rear reflectors, and a quick release skewer. Also included, a 15mm pedal wrench, 3-way Allen key, and manual. For stem setup, orient the fork forward. Use the Allen key to remove the 4 stem clamp screws. Now, handlebar assembly. Position the handlebar in the stem clamp with the brake levers facing forward. Double check that the brake cables and shift cables are properly routed. Loosely thread in the stem clamp bolts using a 5mm Allen key. Align the handlebar straight with the front wheel and adjust to a comfortable riding angle. Tighten the bolts gradually and evenly in a cross or star pattern to avoid shifting. Make sure the gap between the stem faceplate and body is roughly the same on the top and bottom. This ensures even pressure and prevents cracking. Finally, check the handlebar stem clamp bolts to be sure they are properly tightened. Front wheel installation. Remove the plastic protector from the fork and the covers from the wheel hub. Insert the wheel into the fork, aligning the disc rotor center between the brake pads. Ensure proper alignment with the caliper. Locate the quick release skewer in the small box. Unscrew the lock nut, remove the outer spring, slide the skewer through the axle, then reinstall the spring and nut loosely. Hand tighten the nut until slight resistance. Flip the lever to open, then adjust. If too easy to close, tighten more. If too hard, loosen slightly. Close firmly, it should feel snug. Seat assembly. Loosen the seat post clamp nut. Slide in the seat post your preferred height. Then tighten the clamp securely. Slide the rear light bracket up to the base of the shock boot and tighten it. Pedals. Locate the right pedal marked R with smooth threads chain side. Thread it clockwise into the right crank arm by hand first. To avoid cross-threading, then tighten firmly with a 15mm pedal wrench. Left pedal marked L on chain side. Thread it counterclockwise by hand first. Then tighten firmly with a 15mm wrench. Reflector installation. Use a Phillips screwdriver to remove the screw from the rear reflector, red. Mount on the saddle tube seat post, so it faces straight backward and is clearly visible from behind. Tighten the screw firmly. Don't over-tighten to avoid stripping. Repeat for the front reflector, white or amber. Remove the screw, mount it on the handlebar, near the stem or centered, facing straight forward. Tighten securely. Finally, check tire pressure for safety. Assembly complete. Enjoy the ride.